Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs, and today I'm going to be going over a couple things about our 21-inch black contrast Exile wheel. Okay, so first things first, it's been a while. Hello everyone. You may notice the young lady that was here doing this, her name is Alina. She has actually moved to Alaska to join her husband up there, so well wishes to the nice wanderers. This is our 21-inch black contrast Exile wheel. We make all these in 100% in-house, all American-made materials. So we were using the Dunlop American Elites. Unfortunately, they have moved their facility to somewhere overseas, and there is none left in the United States as of July 10th, 2025. As soon as those start coming back in and we start getting the AE2s is what they're calling them, we will start using them again, but for now, we're rolling with the Metzler ME888 Marathon Ultra. So far, been a fantastic tire. Probably sold 400 or 500 of these, have not had a single issue out of them yet. We don't do a matching rotor. We do this polished 3D floating rotor here, and we do it for a couple reasons. One, mechanically it can't warp as long as it's installed correctly. Because it is a floating rotor, so it does float 1,000th or two each way. The solid mount rotors just, no matter what you did, you really just couldn't avoid them warping because you had a rotor bolted to a hub, bolted to a wheel. It's just too many points of contact, and eventually something's going to give out. So we 3D machine this hub here, and this it can accept your 2014 and up. They call them enforcer style rotors. So it'll bolt right up, or you can use these polished ones that we make. You don't need them, but they do look good. All of our wheels are balanced internally with, we call them dyna beads. So you don't want to spend however much, $1,500, $2,000 on a wheel and have weights on it. So the 2020 and newer model Harley Davidson touring bikes, a lot of them are coming with them. So sensors, tire pressure sensors in them. Excuse me, wow, that was a handful. So our valve stem is always gonna look like this. You're never gonna get a black 90-degree valve stem from us. That won't work because it bolts through the wheel and bolts to your TPMS sensor in your factory wheel. That's how it works. We drill and tap a hole on the inside of the wheel here. We actually have a whole nother video about this that I'll have linked below. And we'll send you a little, just a little bolt and washer, and you'll run that bolt right through your TPMS sensor, screw it right down in here, and you're good to go. And Harley Davidson will tell you, oh, it's not gonna work because it doesn't have a valve stem. It's not true, trust me. We've only done a couple thousand of them at this point. As far as making models we make this for, our main crowd obviously is the Harley Davidson Pro Glide, Street Glide, Electric Glide, Ultra Classic, Road King. The touring models, we do make them for pretty much anything though, any and all Harley Fat Boy soft tails, Fat Bobs, Street Bobs, I mean you name it. Indians, Indian Challengers, Chieftains, and we do them for Honda Gold Wings. I know it's kind of a dying breed, but we do still love our Honda guys. We offer a lifetime warranty on this wheel. If there's ever a problem with it, you develop a shake or powder's chipping off of it, which will never happen, but we do cover this wheel. If there's ever a problem with it, we'll get it back here, we'll fix it for you, no cost to you at all. And that should wrap up our 21-inch black contrast Exile wheel.